Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace Canada Post Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the admin and the marketplace sellers to ship the products to the customers with the Canada Post Shipping method. The plugin shows all of the available services provided by the Canada Post Shipping, from which the customers can choose an appropriate one and can make a checkout thereafter. Now this particular plugin works on the API, and the admin and the sellers of the marketplace can fill up their own APIs under their own account panels so as to provide the Canada Post Shipping method to their customers. The admin can also enable the free shipping to Canada, United States and international for the selected services. Also kindly note that the estimated delivery time shows for Canada, US and some other international addresses only. Also, the admin or the seller's address should belong to Canada address itself. The shipping rates are based according to the delivery details and the product weight. Also, if the product weight is equivalent to 0, then the shipping method will not work. And also note that an active business purpose Canada Post account is required for getting the API credentials there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart Marketplace Canada Post Shipping at the customer's end, and how the vendors would be able to manage the orders by generating the shipping label there, and the rest of the configuration settings required at the vendor's end and at the admin's end as well. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the Marketplace web store front end, and I am on one of the categories there for the Marketplace Canada Post Shipping, and here I have a few products there. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the product into the cart. So I'll just tap here on the add to cart button, and I will go to the view cart option there, and within the view cart I can go to the estimate shipping and taxes here, and I'll choose my country, my region, state, and I'll be entering my postal zip code there, and then I'll be tapping here on the get quotes button. And this will bring up this particular pop-up where we can select the preferred shipping method to use on this particular order. And here you can see that here we have the Marketplace Canada Post Shipping. Here you can see the different services of the Marketplace Canada Post Shipping, like the regular parcel, expedite parcel, express post and the priority. Here you can also see the delivery date along with the price for the shipping service there. Now the customer can select this particular shipping service here or at the time of checkout as well. So let's proceed further to the checkout now. So here I've selected my billing details, my delivery details. I'll be tapping here on the continue button. Then here I'll be selecting the Marketplace Canada Post Shipping, and here you can see that under the delivery methods the customers can see the Marketplace Canada Post Shipping method, and here we can choose the free one, that's for $0, or a regular one. So for the time being, let's choose a regular parcel one, and then we'll be tapping on the continue button. And under the payment methods, the customer will select the particular payment method that he wants to use on this particular order, and then tap on the continue button. Lastly, here you can see that the customer can see the shipping service that has been selected, that's the regular parcel, and the estimated date of the arrival is 16th of this particular month 2021, and the price is $24.04 there, and the customer will confirm the order thereafter by tapping on the confirm order button. Now the selected shipping method would also be visible under the history there of the order. So if I go to the order number 560 that we have just placed, and I view this particular order by tapping on the view under this particular link here, we'll be able to find the shipping method that we have selected, that's the regular parcel, and the estimated time or the date there. And here we can see the amount of the shipping charges that are applicable for this particular order. Here you can also see that the customers have an option to track the order there. So if I tap on the track order, we'll be able to find one pop-up wherein we can track the order, and here's the tracking number of the order itself and the date your package will be delivered by, and the rest of the stages there for tracking the particular order itself. So this was the customers flow, how the customers can easily select the marketplace Canada Post shipping at the time of checkout, and how they can get the estimated shipping charges within the cart itself. Now coming to the vendors and how the vendors would be able to view this particular order. So they can go to the order history section under the account or the marketplace account block. Under that, they have to go to the order history section. They have to tap on the order history section. Here's the order number 560 that we had placed for the blue short skirt. We can tap here on the view button under the actions column to view the particular details of the order. And here we can see the shipping method selected by the customer, that was regular parcel, and the estimated time and date there, as you can see. From here the vendors would be able to print the invoice for the order, as well as they can print the shipping label. To print the shipping label, they'll have to tap on the print shipping label, and that would basically print up the shipping label there. They also need to basically log into their Canada Post shipping account. There a pop-up appears for that. I've already logged in, so this time it has not popped up. So the API key and the API password that you get from the Canada Post would be your username and password to log into the Canada Post shipping there. And this is how this is the receiver's address that we had entered, and this is the sender's address there, and this is the shipping label that we have generated for the Canada Post shipping for the order number 560 itself. Now coming back, now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin and the marketplace sellers need to configure their Canada Post shipping. So first let's check how the vendors would be able to configure their Canada Post shipping details. So for that they'll have to go to their marketplace account block here, and under that they'll have to go to the marketplace Canada Post shipping, and under that they'll find the Webcool Canada Post option, as you can see here. And here what they need to do is they need to enter their API key, API password, customer number. So these details would be received from the Canada Post shipping itself after you've registered at the Canada Post shipping website, and after you've logged in and signed in the Canada Post website, you will get your customer number. And for the generation of the API keys, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video there. And within that you'll be able to see how to generate the API keys, so you can follow that follow those steps there for the generation of your API key, API password. Here you have to enter your customer number. Then under the services here, basically these are the service methods for the cart products which will be applicable on the domestic, United States and the international services there. So you can select as per your requirement there. Then we have the shipping countries. So here you have to select the countries for which the Canada Post shipping would be applicable, and where you'll be able to send the parcels to. And lastly you have the Canada Post shipping status. So here you can enable this field to use the Canada Post shipping for your products there. So after entering your API key, API password, customer number, selecting the services that you want to provide to your customers for selection at the checkout time, choosing the shipping countries there where this particular shipping method would be applicable, and enabling the Canada Post shipping status, you'll have to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings for the vendors there. So that was the vendors workflow there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel. Let's see what different configuration settings are there for the admin to configure. So I've already logged into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password, and here we'll be navigating through extensions and extensions. And under the choose extension type we'll be choosing shipping, and here we'll be going to the Canada Post shipping basically. So here we have the marketplace Canada Post, and here we have to tap on the edit button to make the initial configuration settings for the shipping method itself. So after you've successfully registered at the Canada Post shipping, after signing you will be getting your customer number that you have to enter here, and then you have to join the developer program there, and you will be getting two keys, one for the development and one for the production one. and accordingly those API key and passwords can then be used within these two fields that we have, that's the API key and the API password. So I've attached the within the description of this particular video. I have attached the user guide for this particular plugin, and we have shown the steps of receiving the API key and the passwords there. So for more details, kindly refer to the user guide within the description of this particular video. Then you can choose the testing mode, whether it's in the testing mode, or if you want to use this particular plugin in the production mode, then you'll have to choose this option as a no. Otherwise, if you want to make use in the testing mode, then you'll have to choose this option as a yes. Then you have to choose the tax class for which the shipping will be applicable as per your requirement. Then you have to choose the geo zones or the zones for which this particular shipping method would be applicable. Then we have the services. From here you can select the services that would be available for selection to the customers there. Then we have the Marketplace Canada Post shipping status. So from here you can enable, disable the status of the Marketplace Canada Post shipping. And then we have the sort order for this particular shipping method at the time of checkout. So this was the general shipping configuration. Then we have the advanced shipping configuration, under which you'll be able to choose the shipping countries wherein this particular shipping method would be applicable. Then you can show the estimated delivery time along with the shipping methods as well. So if you want to show the estimated delivery time as well, then you have to select this option as a yes. Otherwise you can choose it as no. If you want to display the errors to the users if the particular shipping method is not available, then you can choose this option as a yes. Otherwise select no. Then we have the delivery time offset. So here you can set the delivery time offset that will be added to the original estimated delivery time. For example, the delivery time offset value, for example, is set to 8. So this 8 value will be added to the 3 days to the original estimated delivery time there. Then we have the free method for Canada Post for Canada itself. So from the drop down you can choose the free method that would be applicable within the Canada itself. Then you can choose the free method for USA, free method for the international there. If you want, you can also set up the handling fee status as enabled or disabled. You can choose to calculate the handling fee as fixed amount or percent amount. Then you can set up the handling fee amount or percentage value here as per your selection, depending upon how you have calculated the handling fee, whether it's a fixed amount or a percentage value. Then we have the free shipping with minimum order amount. So here you can set up the shipping minimum order amount that should be reached for the free shipping there if a particular order amount is there. So here you can set up the shipping minimum order amount. And lastly, you just need to tap here in the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. That's the OpenCart Marketplace Canada Post shipping itself. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart Marketplace Canada Post shipping, and I hope this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. And here you can see that we had set the expedite as the free shipping method within Canada. So that's why the amount is showing as $0 for the same. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.